for me, that's part of building resilience. Like, yes, changing what crops you grow, trying out new varieties, doing different irrigation systems. I mean, that's part of resilience for sure, but we also have to build this emotional resilience as well. And one of the best ways that we can actually do that is in community.
Mm-hmm.
So we have been hosting some conference sessions around the region and
Mm-hmm.
some workshops for farmers where really what we do is we sit and we make space for folks to name the things that they have lost to climate change. And it's really powerful. And we do that and we make space for people to sit with that collective loss. And then we talk about resilient strategies and we talk about the ways that folks are continuing to